I thought, hey, we're doing a video about AI. Let's do an intro. So I asked Gemini, which is Google's AI. I said, hey, start with a blank blueprint, draw some lines, make it say how to fix it, and animate it. And I gave it some idea where to start, what seconds to start. And here's the first video it got me. All right. Why is that word there? Why is Snives Tay there? And why is workshop spelled with two S's? Okay. Hey AI. Okay, so I said, hey, workshop doesn't have two S's. Can you fix that? And please remove TIT and Snives Tay. Can you redo that? Sure, let's redo it. And here's what we got. Yeah, that looks nice. But workshoip. How to fix a workshoip. Okay, well, that looks good. You misspelled workshop again. Seems like a pretty easy thing to fix. So can you redo that, spelling it right? Here's what we got. How to fix it workshop. Okay, looks great. You put how to twice. Can you try it again? Sure. Now we're back to workshop with two S's. And then I reached my video generation limit. So I thought I'd get an AI intro for this video, but it's better to stick with some professionals for that.